Let's start to create a GUI login page using NetBeans. First of all, we have to create a frame from the source file, just like we create a classes, and then adjust the size. Clicking here, I am using 850 and 510, and then I'm adding the panel, and after fit the different size, and then changing the background color that we see that this is the panel color, this is not the frame color. Then we are adding the label where we are writing the login page, and then we have to go in the properties, right click and go in properties and change the background color and size of the colors, size, font, and then okay. Now fit to the center. Now center, it's looking beautiful. Now taking another label where we will write username, and we are going to go in properties, bold, okay, it's okay. Now color of the, no, it's not, it's awkward. Now let's create another color that is I think black is a better. Okay, it's visible. We are just, you can choose another color, just copy and paste, change the text, that is a password. Then we have to take the fit to the, okay, now we have to take the field, text field. We have to take the text fields in front of the username to fit in front of the username. Let's go to no text field. Here is a text field. Now adjusting size of the text field, you can adjust according to it. If you go in the mesh, let's change the text, edit text. We don't need any text in this. Let's go to the properties. We are going to create a black, white, and the foreground is the text colors that will appear inside it. Now we have to use a password field for the password, and where is the password field? Here is password field, password field, password. We could use a text field, but the password field is very much better, much suitable for the password. And this is the panel color. Now we have to go in the properties, and we are going to background color of the password field is white, and text color that will appear inside the password field should be black. Okay, now it's okay. Let's add the button. Let's add the button for the login. Adjust the size according to yourself, and then click on right click, then right click per first pull text login. Then we have to click on the right, and we have to change the background color. Background color should be okay. We are keeping background should be red, whatever. Then we have to keep the color that should be white, and then bold size. It is not appearing here. If we run, it will appear. Okay, run. See, over here the button color has been changed. We have kept background red and foreground white, so the color, text color is foreground. And now adding another, now we have to add another field. We have to add the label where we could write the create new account, because login page must have the create new account label. So we have created a create new account label, and we are adjusting it to the behind, adjust in the center. Then we have to go in the properties. After that, we properties, and we have to give the color that should be visible to us. The foreground is the text color. Background label does not have the background, so we have to change the foreground color. That should be Text color is, so text color is blue, it's a foreground color. If we want to change the color of the text field, then we have to go in the properties and select the foreground color. You must remember the foreground color is the text color, background color is the background behind it. So let's go. Okay, now we are going to add the background. We are changing, we can add images on this screen. First of all, we have to set layout null, jpanel. We have set layout null, then we have to add the label. We have to adjust this label on the whole panel and remove the label name and text. Then we have to add icon option, icon. We can select external image, we can take from the external source, where from our this PC or desktop or wherever we have kept our picture. Now we are taking the image, which image. I have to take no, I have to take the, I think Facebook color, yes, this is okay. We have kept the picture. Now it changed the whole background. We cannot add another label on it because we have kept another label. If we want to add another thing, we have to remove this label. We must give the label on which we are going to give the background image, like Facebook, in the last, after all complete work. Let's create JFrame. For create account without wasting time, first we create a create account frame, then finish. So adjust the size according to you, and my favorite is at 50 and 510. So this is my frame, this is the source code. First of all, I will delete all the comments, and we know that the main method, we don't need main method in this because we are going to call this from the login page, from the login frame which we created already. If you haven't seen it, you have to visit my another video. Let's add a panel and adjust the size according to the frame. Then we will add a label on which we are going to write a create account, the heading of the create account page. So in the properties, we are going to center, we want to put in the center color of the text white, bold, and Arial black. Size must be 22. Okay, so created. Now it's set center. Then we are adding a label for the name. You can add more places in the create account, like email, password, confirm password, a date of birth, etc, but we are going to practice, just we were going to add some side the foreground. And as we know that label has no background, so name, then we are going to add email, then we have to add the password label. We are going to write pass, and just we are going to practice here. This is so. In another, we have to adjust according to the layout. So now confirm password, we have to create a confirm password. So we created confirm password. We are going to add 4 labels, password, and adjust according to it. And full name, we are going to create a full name, not the first name and last name. We are going to create a full name. So this is going to be a full name. So now decorate according to it. Email, we have to decorate according to it. So this is email. Now it's good, it's looking better. Then we have to take a fields where we're going to store the names. Text field must be full name. We are going to now let's edit text. We don't need any text, so we are going to properties. We are going to give the background to the text be white, and foreground the text color must be blue. You can adjust according to it. 19 is right. So okay, this is now just, this is looking better. So just copy it. For the email portion we have this. Now we are going to password field. We need a password field for the password. This is the password field. So this is password field. Just give the background white. Text color means foreground color. Foreground color is blue. So this is just copy for the confirm password and paste here. So this we have created this, the basic layout of the create account. Basic design we have created. Now add the button for the sign up. So we are going to add the button. This is the button. It's just a side account which suits you. Now edit text, sign up. Now we created sign up button and give the background. So it must be okay. Text color red, background must be white. Okay, bold, and Arial black is good. 20. Okay, so this is not, it will give the null layout for the background image which we want to get. First we can add image in the label. So we first of all we have to add the label and fit to the screen size or design size, and then go in the icon. Here is icon, and then click external image. We don't have image in our project, so external image we are going to find my image is on the desktop, and I have taken the building, dark building. This is good. So now we have to we have to erase some sizes. So erase this is looking better. Full name is looking better. Now we're just, now email is looking better. Password is now better. Confirm password is now better. So now we have created a page. Now we are going to back to the, we have to go back in the login page. First of all we are going to in the source code of the create account, and in the constructor, here in the constructor we will write this dot set visible true, because we have cleared the main method where it is written. Now we have cleared and we have used in the, when we call this constructor it will show that panel, otherwise it will not show because we have cleared the. Now we have added the label of create account, and we have added the event mouse clicked because it was the label. We now this is the mouse where we are going to create a new constructor of our create account. So this is the constructor. Now we are going to this dot set this dot dispose. I mean, if we call the constructor, this window, this design will disappear. Login page will disappear. Now start. This is login page. When we click on the create new account, it is creating on this side. Now go in the, we are going to the create account. We want it in the center. So click on the frame in the navigation, frame, properties, and code. Properties, events, and code format, generate center, then close. So now we are going to run. So it will come in this center. So this is in the center.